Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 LARIAT. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed liner and tailgate step with side bed steps as well. Got a bed camera, a nice platform gripped running board, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we have recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system. We have floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders, 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front, B&O sound system, powered door mirrors, and memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your lights, liftgate, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 20.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle view screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get our main menu, which has audio, select audio, vehicle maintenance, settings, phone, navigation, status info, towing, off-road, gauges, trip and fuel, and mind view. Over here we have tons of storage. You got cup holders, you even get a lock for your center console, you even get 2 more cup holders, storage with some outlets, wireless charging, and it does close. Leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You even get a light back there and 2 USB-Cs. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff and rear lock 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate. You got a 12 volt and 120. You got storage above and below. Storage right here. We got 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice rear window opener. You also get your features for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do get our engine brake and hill. Looking here, we do get our audio, which does have AM, FM, but we do get Sirius XM and Bluetooth. You got your phone capabilities, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, and all that fun. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will show right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, such as your sync, and all your basics, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC41351, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.